It's a favourite of ours and yours. The MGB holds a special place in the automotive hearts of so many. And what better way to experience the summer than behind the wheel of a true classic roadster? This is our 1972 MGB Roadster. Finished in a vibrant, bright and summery red with a wonderful beige interior with matching red piping. The chrome accents help to highlight the simple yet elegant lines of one of the most popular sports cars of all time. Powered by a timeless 1.8-litre four-cylinder engine and paired with the all-important manual gearbox, this Roadster is the right formula to give you 500 days of summer. Scenic route. Go out of the way and enjoy those sun-kissed days of summer in our 1972 MGB Roadster. Head over to the British Classic Cars competitions website for all the information you need and to enter the draw. Good luck!